What's up, you guys? It's Victoria and I'm back with another video. This video today will be, as you can see by the title, a hair review on this hair that I received from a company called You Fuzzy, but they work with a lot of different other companies, which some of them are like Bobbi Boss, Hollywood Hair, and some others. But we collabed to show off this new hair from Bobbi Boss. I'm not sure if it's like super new, but I'm pretty sure like I think it's new. I'm not gonna ramble on any longer, so yeah, let's get into this video. So today I received some hair from You Fuzzy, but they sent me Bobbi Boss, and it is the Yara Bang hair, and it comes in the style MLF 184, and it says Yara Bang, and the color I received is 1B. It comes in a pack like this, and as you can see, it tells you right here what kind of wig you have. It's definitely from Bobbi Boss, as you can see. And in the back of it, it comes with care instructions in the pack. I'm not gonna read them, but if you buy this wig, then you'll see. So this is the wig that I received. And I kind of just like pulled it out of the pack, and I was playing with it, so that's why I'm kind of like running my fingers through it. It comes with bangs. It has a blunt cut on it, so it kind of goes like forward. As I'm running my fingers through it, I do have like some fallout, if you can see. Let me try it again. As I'm rubbing my fingers through it now, maybe that was just like a couple of strands, but I actually have no more strands now as I run my fingers through it. Maybe like one. So very few to none shedding, pretty much. If you can see, it has the lace right here that comes with it. I'll show you the lace in the inside of it. So this is what the lace looks like in the inside of it. It's not much parting space, really. You can really do the bang, and that's pretty much it. Because of the way the bangs are, you can't really like do like a flip over or anything unless it had longer bangs, and it actually doesn't. But this is what the cap looks like. It has an adjustable band, and as you can see, it says Bobbi Boss in the inside. This wig doesn't have baby hairs in the back, and it doesn't have baby hairs in the front, just because it's a bang wig and you don't really need baby hairs for that. It comes with the different types of styles that come in the Yara wig. I'm gonna try this one on my head. I've really been seeing a lot of use of just Yara, and Yara by itself is popping, so I hope Yara Bang looks kind of cute. This is really giving me like a, have you ever watched Acrimony with Taraji P. Henson? I forgot the male actor's name. Tyler Perry wrote the movie. If you ever seen that, she had hair on like this, so this is exactly what it's reminding me of, a little Taraji. It also says it has premium high heat fibers, safe heat styling. By filling it, I'm not sure if I would put a flat iron to it. I won't say it, because I was gonna say it has like that yucky type of feeling, but I won't say it has that, because it's really shiny. And usually that yucky type feel has crinkles in it, kinda, but this one is like bone straight, as you see. It looks like crinkles from the camera, but it's really not. So let me go ahead and try this wig on. Stop rambling so you guys can see what it looks like on my head. Having this wig on, I have really mixed emotions, because I've never had bangs, and then the bangs that I did have, they were not as thick. I push these bangs back some, because if you wear like a natural wig, these bangs will be in my face. Like, this is what it would be like if I wear it like naturally, and I cannot see, so I have to push the wig back so that it'll not be so like far. So I do kind of think the bangs are long and you would have to cut it, but I don't recommend cutting I don't recommend cutting these bangs because I think how they come, it looks better than if you just cut it. I would just recommend, if you know how to cut hair, then do it. If you don't know how to cut hair, don't do it, because it's gonna look like Barbie bangs, like you just went straight across, and that's gonna be a wrap for that wig. Now back to the wig. This wig is really giving me mixed emotions because, like I said, I never had a bang wig this thick. For girls who like bangs, it's cute. So if you like bangs, or you got a big forehead and you trying to like color that up, then it's cute. It's very sleek, like bone straight. And this is what the cut looks like. Very, very blunt. I forgot to mention it has no clips in it, so you would have to like adjust the bands or secure with like some bobby pins or whatever, because this wig is loose. I would definitely say, I consider myself to have a big head. It's very big head friendly. It's not snugged or anything like that. I do want to try like maybe a different kind of look instead of it being straight down, so let's try. So now it's looking like kind of like a different look. I would definitely wear it like half up, half down. This is what it looks like. And then you have your ponytail in the back, which kind of looks weird because, you know, the hair is very blunt cut. But if you have blunt cut hair, like natural hair, then it just looks just like that. It's no different. So this is what it looks like. I would wear it like this. You definitely can remove some hair. I definitely liked it with some of the hairs removed out of it. It doesn't look too thick now. It looks kind of natural almost. I definitely could put like some concealer right there. So let's try putting some concealer. I'll just hold it right here because I don't have a bobby pin with me. So yes, this wig is now like coming together. So let's try something else. Let's try like half up, half down. So this is what this wig looks like, half up, half down. It's cute. I would rock it. You might want to do some baby swoops right there. I didn't do it. I just put it half up, half down. I won't say this wig is like extra versatile, but I would say you can do like a couple of things with it. I would definitely recommend you guys to check this wig out. It is very cheap, under $50. So shout out to Yara Bang and Bobbi Boss for this wig. Their Yara collection is really nice, so I hope they send me some more of Yara. This is some braid hair that I got from them also. It says special color. It's in a 24-inch. The color is 3T1B/PK613, and it says PK because it's black, pink, and blonde, and it's a single face. So if you guys want to see me do a tutorial on this, let me know in the comments, and I'll go ahead and crochet my hair. It comes with 12 strands, and it's flame retardant, soft and light, and hot water setting. They also sent me box sprays. Look at them all. So this is a 36-inch That's gonna be like past my ass. It's the same name besides. It's not single twist, it's box braids. Alright, it's in our 3T1B/BLLBL, which is for black and blue. So yeah, as you can see, it starts black at the roots and it gets blue, blue, blue. So I think these are pretty cute. I just want to say thank you, Fuzzy, for partnering with me on this hair review. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video.